The CL400 Magnetic is a designer's choice for sliding doors. Elegant and easy to use, the CL400 is based on new patent-pending technology designed in New Zealand by Cavilock.
At Cavilock, we specialise in making high-quality, reliable hardware for sliding doors. The CL400 utilises new magnetic technology. As the door slides shut, a magnet pulls the plunger into the strike plate. This allows the lock and strike plate to sit flush when the door is open, which makes for a clean look and eliminates the hazard created by a protruding striker. No more bounce back or tricky latching, just slide the door shut and the magnet and plunger engage.
The CL400 is available in a variety of configurations. The privacy latch, with an optional emergency release. Key locking. And the passage handle, with or without a magnetic latch. The CL400 handle can also be fitted to double doors in all these configurations. The installation process is simple and economical. The CL400 comes in a range of finishes to suit your decor, and with 3 faceplate widths can be fitted to most internal sliding doors. Finish your doors in style with Cavilock.